Got a '07 Silverado, came into the shop. No start or intermittent start with none of the dash lights working on it. Scanned it, had all kind of crazy codes in it. It's been starting sometimes and stuff. So it starts, everything is delayed. Got multiple lights on. Gas gauge not working, tachometer not working, coolant gauge not working. So sometimes it starts, sometimes it doesn't. I'm trying to get the key to rotate right now. Nothing's working, but like I said, most of the time it doesn't start, but it's starting for me this morning. What happens is this airbag module gets shorted out underneath the seat from getting in and out with the rain and whatnot. You can see all the crystals and everything around it and all the water intrusion. Now, I just showed you everything didn't work on the dash. Watch when we unplug it. It's unplugged now. Everything's working. Gas gauge working, tach working, coolant gauge working. And it's going to start every time now that the airbag module needs to be replaced along with the connector.